students, now class 7. Today you have to read chapter 13, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals. Weather, you have listened this word, that is आज का वेदर ठीक नहीं है, आज का वेदर ऐसा है ना. Now today weather is hot, weather is cold. So now weather, what is weather? Weather that represents the condition of atmosphere. What is the temperature of the atmosphere? What is the humidity of atmosphere? What is the cloudiness of the atmosphere? What is the wind of the atmosphere? What is the atmospheric pressure of the atmosphere? Now it says about the state of the atmosphere at particular place and particular time. Now weather is defined as that it is the state of the atmosphere at particular time and particular place in terms of atmosphere temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, cloudiness, wind and precipitation. Understand? Now we have to read about the elements of weather, that is weather elements. Now we say that what is temperature, humidity, cloudiness, wind, atmospheric pressure. Now weather elements, that is temperature. Temperature, atmospheric pressure, cloudiness, wind, precipitation. These are the element of weather. Now one by one we see what is temperature. Temperature, you know that it is the indicator of what degree of hotness or coldness. Understand? Now the average temperature above the sea level is 15 degrees Celsius, and temperature may be as high, that is 58 degrees Celsius, or low, that is minus 88 degrees Celsius. Temperature is generally highest in the tropic region and lowest near the pole. Now it is usually warm during the mid afternoon and coldest as down the day, that is after sunset. Understand? Now humidity. You know what is humidity? Humidity is the what that is the amount of water vapor present in air. At what time? What is the atmosphere? Water vapor present in atmosphere? It is changed always. Now cloudiness. Cloudiness, there is always, due to temperature, water is converted into vapor and forms the cloud. And cloud on condensation converted into water droplets. Now precipitation. When water vapors goes above the ground, then at high pressure and low temperature they condense to form the ice drops or water big drops, and they come on our earth as rainfall. Now wind. The horizontal movement of air is called the wind. And what is the wind? That is east. We say that it is named as the direction. What is the direction? That is, we say that Purva Hava, Pachwa Hava, we are saying H. Now it comes from north, that is north wind, or it comes from south, that is southern wind. Understand? Now atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force due to the weight of the air. Understand? The force which is applied by the air. The air apply force by what? By its weight. If you have more weight, you will apply more force. You know? So now if per centimeter, what is the mass of air present, that will give the greater pressure, greater force on anything, that is called the pressure. That is, you know that force, what is force per unit area is called the pressure. So now what is the force per unit area? 1 unit area, unit area. What is the force applied? That is called the pressure. Understand? Now weather, automatic weather station is already established. There is a machine, automatic machine, that measures the weather condition, that forecasts the weather condition. Understand? And this station is very useful because there is no manpower used and their cost is not consumed. Now it is the very cheaply, easily automatic weather condition by which we know about the weather. Understand?